The United Democratic Party, an ally of the NPP-led NBA coalition, is not satisfied by the role played by the Meghalaya government in the Mukroh incident. UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that follow-up actions of the state government has been trivial and whatever has been done so far is so inconsequential and it does not seem like the government is really putting its foot down. He hinted that his party was virtually without power despite being a part of the ruling coalition headed by the NPP.
It's something so trivial, so inconsequential that it does not seem like the government is really pushing and putting its foot down on the Mukroh incident. We have people in office, but they are not in power. They are in office, not in power.